Hey there, and welcome to Rumble Studio. Today, I'm going to show you how you can earn money using Studio. First, you'll want to navigate to studio.rumble.com. When you log in with your Rumble account, across the top of the page, you'll see a banner that says Navigate to Campaigns to learn more. You can select Campaigns to open the campaign page. If you don't see this banner, go ahead and go to the left-hand side of Rumble Studio and select the play icon. This will then open the campaigns page. Here, you can see any available campaigns that you can read during your live stream. So to view any of these details, you can select View Details and preview the script. You can also see minimum viewership and earnings per live viewer on this page as well. This is a great place to familiarize yourself with any scripts before going live. When you've completed a live stream readout, you can go ahead and toggle here to the History tab. This will show you any completed campaigns or canceled campaigns that you've done in any given live stream. This will show you the total earnings you acquired and the total current balance on the campaigns page. Whenever you're ready to cash out any earnings, all you need to do is go to your Rumble wallet. So let's go ahead and go into a live stream so I can show you what this looks like. I've already created a live stream on Rumble Studio, and I've been live for a few minutes just so we can get some viewers going. When you're in Rumble Studio, you'll go ahead and toggle over to the Campaigns tab on the far right of your Rumble Studio dashboard. Here, if you scroll down, you'll see any available campaigns that are currently available for you to select. This will turn on based on how many viewers you have at a given time. So it looks like Yow Media is the current available sponsor that I can read out based on the number of viewers. When I'm ready, and I know that this is a sponsor I'm ready to read, I can easily preview the script ahead of time to make sure that I'm prepared, similar to what we viewed in the campaign dashboard. When I'm ready, all I have to do is select Accept and Start. This will populate a campaign across my Rumble Studio screen. And then here it gives me a full view of my script that I can easily read through. When I finished reading through my script, I can select Complete to send this over and have it appear in the history dashboard of my campaigns page. If for some reason I decided I selected this an accident or I messed up, I want to cancel this campaign, you can select Cancel. We'll go ahead and select Complete. When I've completed this, it'll now show up in my history dashboard. You can go back to your live view here and you can see your ad campaign appear here in your live chat. So users can easily click on the campaign and view this as well. And essentially, that's it. That's all you need to know in order to start doing campaigns in Rumble Studio.